Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alrighty, so let's make some chicken and rice soup that's gonna have spinach in and mushroom and some vegetables, some good soup. Okay. And by the way, this is also for diabetics because the rice is going to be brown rice, so everybody can enjoy it. Why not? All right, let's share the video. Give it a thumbs up, please. Appreciate that. And subscribe. Let's do it. Thank you. Yummy soup. It's that time of the year, the winter. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I have here in this pot 3 medium-sized onions and 6 stalks of celery. Okay, cut up and ready to go. I'm going to add to that some water. This is 3 ounces of water. And another total of 6 ounces of water. Okay, to this we're going to add the chicken. This is one large chicken breast cut up. 1 chicken breast cut up. I got 3 chicken breasts in a package, I think for $5. So that was how much? Less than $2. So it's $1.51. About $1.75, $1.75 for the chicken breast. Okay, and I have some mushrooms here. This is a small can mushrooms, 4 ounces of mushrooms. Okay, we want to get this started first. So we're going to turn the fire on. Let that start cooking down. Gonna add some seasonings to that also. I have some garlic paste here. It's 2 heaping teaspoons of garlic paste. Okay, so I have some chicken base here. One, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of chicken base. If you don't have chicken base, you can use chicken broth. Okay, let's add some ginger. Black pepper. Adobo. And I don't believe I showed you the ginger and the black pepper. I want to make sure you see what I put in here. Okay. Okay, we're going to give that 10 minutes to get started, and I'll be right back. Okay, our chicken and rice soup has been cooking for about maybe 25 minutes. Now I'm going to add the spinach and the rice. And here, you know, we just have the celery, the onions, and the mushrooms, and the chicken, and the seasoning. Alright, I'm going to add the spinach. I'll tell you how much spinach that is in a minute. Okay, that's about 8 ounces. It's out of a package that was 16 ounces, and this is half of it, so it's about 8 ounces. Okay, now I'm going to add the brown rice. This is brown rice mixed with mixed vegetables. Okay, I'm going to taste it, see what I'm missing. I think I need a little more adobo. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about another 2 minutes. The only thing you're missing is I did add another 3 ounces of water when the water went down, okay? Alright, so about 2-3 minutes, I'll cut that off, and now to give it a taste. Tastes pretty good so far, I must say. I'm going to cut that off in a minute and I'll plate it up. Okay, let's take a look. Chicken and rice soup with spinach and brown rice. Oh, look at that one more time. How about that, huh? I'll give you another view if I can. There you go. Now let me taste. Okay, let me taste. It's hot. The flavor is good, and that spinach brings the taste up quite a bit. Oh, I could definitely have this breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's good. So I guess you may say, why is it that it can be for a diabetic? Well, there's no starch in it. There's brown rice and vegetables in the chicken. You can eat it and it will not raise your sugar. Now those are the things that you might want to consider. And if you're not a diabetic, it is a nice, healthy chicken, spinach, and rice soup. Okay, now that is the word. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks, bye.